Hi everyone, today I will show you how we can join multiple lines and multiple arcs into a single polyline. For that we have to create few lines and arc here. I will create an arc here now. And I will create another arc. So now these are the multiple lines and arc which we have to make a single polyline. Right now it is a different. When you select, all are selecting different. We can make a single polyline by two commands. First one we have a join command and second one we have a p-edit command. First we will use a join. You can simply type here join, or you click on modify and click here join and select all the entities and enter. You can see that now it is a single entity. But make sure that when you want to join into a single multiple lines to single line, the edge should not extended. It should connect end to end. For example, I will explode this one, and let's say this end is slightly extended and this line will not join. So click on modify, join these entities, or you can select by window also, enter. Now you can see that the extended line is not joined. So make sure these end-to-end connection should join here. Again, now I will take join here, and now it is a single entity. So I explored this one. Now we will use second command, p-edit, enter and select the entities. And do you want to turn it into one? Yes, enter, click on join and select all the entities and join. You can see that now it is a single entity. So we can join multiple lines and arc into a single polyline by two methods, join and p-edit command.